Hi friends, today we are going to see about the trapezoidal rule. We all know that the definite integral f of x dx over the region from a to b represents the area between the curve y equal to f of x, the x-axis and the ordinates at x equal to a and x equal to b. And the trapezoidal rule is one of the most practical procedure for numerical integration. It approximates the integral by the sum of n trapezoids. Okay, let us understand this geometrically. Suppose if we want to find the area of the closed region A, B, C, D, then we may use the trapezoidal rule as follows. So assume the curve CD be represented by the equation y equal to f of x, and let DA and CB be the ordinates of the terminal points D and C of the curve. Also assume that the length OA is A and the length OB as B, so that the segment AB is nothing but B minus A. Now we are going to divide this segment into n equal parts A1, A1, A2, etc. up to an minus 1 B of equal width h. Now since AB is B minus A, the value of h is nothing but B minus A divided by n. Okay, draw the ordinates through A1, A2, etc. up to an minus 1. So totally we are having n plus 1 ordinates. Let them be y1, y2, y3, etc. up to yn plus 1. Then join the ends of the consecutive ordinates by a straight line. So we get a four-sided polygon. Also we note that all the ordinates are parallel to one another. So the obtained four-sided polygon is nothing but the trapezium. So the area of this whole region A, B, C, D is approximately equal to the sum of the areas of these n trapeziums. So let us find the area of these n trapeziums. All we know that the area of the trapezium is half into sum of the length of the parallel sides into height. Let the area of the n trapeziums be A1, A2, etc. up to An. Then A1 equal to half into the first two ordinates y1 plus y2 into h, the equal width. Similarly, we can find the area of all the n trapeziums. Now we need to find the sum of the areas of these trapeziums, and that is 1 by 2 into h into y1 plus y2 plus y2 plus y3 plus y3 plus y4 etc. up to yn plus 1. This can be arranged as half into h into y1 plus yn plus 1 first and last ordinates plus 2 into y2 plus y3 plus etc. up to yn. This one is equivalent to half into h into a plus 2b, where a is the term within the first bracket and b is the term within the second bracket. Hence, the area of the whole region ABCD, that is the integral y dx over the region from a to b, is approximately equal to half into h into a plus 2b, where a is the sum of the first and last ordinates and b is the sum of the remaining ordinates. Okay, shall we see one example? Here our problem is that dividing the range into 10 equal parts, find the approximate value of integral sin x dx over the region from 0 to pi by the trapezoidal rule. Here the given range is 0, pi, and it should be divided into 10 equal parts so that h equal to pi divided by 10. Also the point of subdivisions are 0, pi by 10, 2 pi by 10, 3 pi by 10, etc. up to 10 pi by 10 or simply pi. Now the values of sin x for each point of subdivisions has to be found. Here the values are tabulated as follows. Okay, now by trapezoidal rule we are having this formula, and we note that h is pi by 10, A, the sum of the first and last ordinates 0, then B, the sum of the remaining ordinates, that is 6.3138. So substituting the known values in the formula, we get that integral value is 1.984 approximately. But actual value of this integral is found to be 2. So by this example, we show that the result obtained by the trapezoidal rule is approximately equal to the exact value of the integral. Also, the interval in this problem is divided into 10 equal parts. In order to get better approximation, the number of points of the segments can be increased. So friends, I hope you all understand the trapezoidal rule very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.